Yes, I'm posting a video about my frustrations with my video editor. I'm not gonna shit talk the program because I am well aware that my computer is 5 years old and can't handle rendering my delightfully crafted video. I mean, it's bursting with festive trim, nostalgia, and mediocre voiceovers with all kinds of graphics and effects because ooh, shiny. But damn, I spent 3 weeks on this thing. Probably 2 weeks too long, honestly. And now I can't use it. I spent more time editing that one video than I have actually finishing the rest of my Christmas gifts, which will now be late. Welcome to ADHD Crafting, where we get super excited about throwing glitter on everything and then realize we've been focusing on the glitter instead of the thing that is now covered in glitter. Also, time doesn't exist here. It's extremely disappointing to run into obstacles that aren't really anything I know how to fix or even interested in fixing because I can't afford to get into the weeds and get even farther from what I enjoy doing. So we pivot, find other avenues, and keep going. Disappointment doesn't mean we quit, right? This week I'll be finishing up what I can get done and finding a new video editor that will be gentler on my old man of a laptop. I should name him Gramps. I may or may not be releasing the Christmas gift videos like I had originally planned, i.e. 3 Christmas gifts per video for 3 videos, because I have non-gift projects that I'm dying to get started on already. Also, I want to take this opportunity to acknowledge that I'm proud of myself for not allowing my frustrations to influence me into quitting what I'm doing here. Before I had an understanding that my brain works differently, I would rarely be able to find the motivation to keep going when I didn't do something perfectly the first time or run into a problem that felt overwhelming. Now I can recognize that when I'm overwhelmed, I can reapproach my projects by breaking things down into easily digestible chunks, or easily executable chunks. To help myself succeed, I'm learning how to plan my process so when, not if, things upend on me, I'm not completely overwhelmed by all the work gone undone. Instead, I can refer to my process notes and pick something else to work on until I can figure out the problem. I'm learning to set myself up before I even open the glitter jar. No touchies until we plansies. Not understanding what executive dysfunction is, or that it even exists, has held me back for most of my adult life from realizing that I am capable of finishing what I start, and I am capable of doing complex things, and I'm just capable, period. It's okay to do things differently than the common wisdom out there, the general wisdom. I can't use planners, but I can do Google Calendar. I can't just think and do, but I can plan each step and take it one at a time. I will never remember what I just said or did, but I can set up my surroundings to help remember the important stuff. It's okay to make art that doesn't look good until it does start to look good. It's okay to be a chaotic goblin crafter and throw glitter on things. Just don't forget the thing is there too. I sincerely wish you the best holiday season. I hope you're warm, healthy, and with someone you love. And yes, of course, your animals count. Until next time, thanks for watching.